Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. GDP growth in 2021 signified a recovery from the strong decline experienced due to the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. At its quarterly press briefing this afternoon, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statins said the latest labor market data are also showing signs of recovery. Javon Keys reports.
Statin says the last quarter of the calendar year 2021 signals 6 quarters of growth since the 15.6% decline in the second quarter of 2020. Director General of Statin, Ms. Carol Coy, provided the data at Statin's quarterly press briefing Thursday morning.
Preliminary estimates indicated that total value added for the Jamaican economy grew by 4.6% in 2021. And this performance reflected some levels of recovery from the impact of COVID-19. Both the services and goods producing industries grew by 4.7% and 4.3% respectively.
Meanwhile, Statin says more Jamaicans were employed since the start of this year.
In January 2022, there were 1,257,100 persons employed in Jamaica. This was an increase of 4.8% or 57,800 persons compared to January in 2021.
Less people were also out of jobs.
The unemployment rate in January 2022 was 6.2% compared to 8.8% for the same quarter of 2021. This was 2.6 percentage points lower than the same quarter of 2021. It should be noted, however, that in spite of the lower unemployment rate in January 2022, which is 6.2, compared to January 2020, which is 7.3, the quarter before the onset of COVID-19 pandemic, there were more employed persons in January 2020 than in January 2022.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.